today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wrap pizza. So first you need to put tomato puree on a spoon, then just start mixing it around.
On a wrap.
On a wrap, okay? I'll see you once it's done. So guys, make sure it's looking like this, yeah? Once it's done.
All covered.
All covered in ketchup or tomato puree. Look, just for example. That, okay?
Next.
We need, these can be any ingredients we want. I'm just adding, wait, where is it gone? That just fell out of nowhere. Cheese. Cheese that normally costs $5, but we got it for cheaper.
Did we?
Yeah.
Yeah, you only got one pepperoni, so...
Okay, I'm adding pepperoni and cheese. Now it's like, why would I put that than that? Right, can you have a bowl, please?
Yeah. One.
Oh, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Not right Christmas.
So be careful when you do this on the big one.
Yeah.
Like this.
Have an adult to do it.
Yeah, I think it's better because you can chop your
Truly
fingers.
Mera, truly Tina.
What?
Burr, burr, patapim, chalalelo, chalala. Burr, burr, patapim, chalalelo, chalala. Cappuccino, assassino, lili, lari, la.
Yeah. Is that okay? Can you do one more?
More. Okay, wait, stop. I'm gonna add a bit more
Try
on.
that and then...
Okay, so guys, see my cheese here. So, then
Yeah! Spread it evenly on your wrap pizza.
just call it pizza, I would say.
Oh, okay. You're the boss.
Doing more.
More!
Yeah.
Double cheese. Oh, careful!
I just set the kettle going. Bro, set the kettle going.
Pull it closer to you.
No, guys, look at this. I set the kettle going, dude.
Look how mucky is that. Oh my gosh. We need to clean that. That's our new kitchen. That's disgusting.
Bro, we just bought a new house.
No, we didn't.
We did.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish we did. Oh, you got really little curly cheese. Love it.
Guys, we're going to do a holiday video because we're going on holiday very soon, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. Where are we going?
Slovakia.
Ooh, and where is Slovakia?
In Prešov.
No, Prešov is in Slovakia. Like, yeah, Slovakia.
Europe.
Yeah. Pepperoni?
No.
More cheese? Tommy, no. You're not going to eat it then. Are you?
Yeah, because last time I added a bit too much cheese. And
it wasn't very nice. It was a bit too cheesy.
It was right floppy, weren't it?
Yeah, right, sloppy, right. Do you want to chop that on the chopping board?
Patapim.
On here.
I wanna show him how I do it.
Well, come on, there.
Bye. You're going away for just 1 second if you're mine. Bye. Hello, shopping board. Bro did not like Jenga.
Careful with that knife, Tommy. Right, and try small pieces, because that's your only pepperoni.
So far all the way from here to America, England to get to Europe.
John?
I'm talking to him. Wait. Oh, I need to be like careful cutting that one. Can you help?
Yep.
I want to cut that one.
In half, yeah. Look, I'll make 3 from that one.
Oh.
And then another one from that one.
Okay, stop now.
Here, do it.
Wait, that one might need cutting in a minute. Okay. Wait, I'm making big ones. Look, guys, I can probably get 3 out of this.
Put your fingers ready.
Never mind, I only got 2. Yeah, some of these need chopping.
Okay.
Yeah, some of these are really big, bro. I'm familiar with this guy.
Steady. Don't try this at home. Always have an adult supervising if you're using knife. Tom is 7 now, so he started using this knife.
And I'll do a
But only when
backflip.
I'm there in it. Right, okay. Put it on your pizza then.
Okay, wait, let
There
me.
you go.
Okay, can you get me a bowl so I can put that in the bowl?
need a bowl, do you?
Yes, I do. So I'm gonna remove the, what is it called again? I'm stuck in brain rot, Italian brain rot.
Chopping board.
Chopping board, that's it. Wait, there's some on that pepperoni.
Some from bread. Do the chopped on board. Yeah, we could really do with another one, couldn't we? Oh well. Just spread it evenly. Do you want some oregano on top?
Oregano!
Okay. Hold on. Hold on.
I'm flying in the air.
Some oregano for nice smelling pizza. Yeah, a bit more.
About that much.
Bit more. Oh, okay. Just
That
spread it all over, yeah. Tak posłuchaj, tak super. Hey, look at that, Jamie Oliver.
Oliver.
Jamie Oliver, yeah, he's alright, Tommy.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're gonna put it in the oven for how long?
7 minutes.
7 minutes.
If you want it to smell good, you can probably put oregano on. Yeah, I didn't.
Let's pause it and we'll show them what it looks like, yeah?
Guys, I'll show you what it looks like after. Bye.